So Tim was micing me up just now, and he said, the guy finished early. He said, do you have any jokes or any magic tricks? And I said, sure, watch me make half the audience disappear. And I got almost everybody. So thanks you two for staying. I have 8 slides that I'm going to go through. My marketing team made me cut it down from 30 because it's 4:30. And we're supposed to be done by 5. I promise I'll get you out of here before then, but thanks for staying. I am Mark Spears, CEO and founder of Amplified Solutions. I'm from Lubbock, Texas. I'm not just a tech guy that got into the stone industry. We actually, my family has owned a quarry, operated an architectural stone fabrication facility out of Tepeji, Mexico, bought and sold quarries. And as a result of that and some other business ventures, I started loving the idea of helping companies like you guys market what you do. And you guys being, are you fabricators, you suppliers? Raise your hand, fabricator? Okay. So just through all of the, I got a clicker malfunction. Oh, that way. Nope. It's okay. So again, I got into this business to help people like you market their business and help improve revenue streams for whatever it is that you're selling, marketing, including your brand. The status quo as we know it right now in our industry is we have issues with staffing, we have issues with supply chain, we have issues with the competitive marketplace, people being the race to the bottom to be the lowest cost provider for their products. We have a generation of decision makers that are changing in age. I realized the other day that I was used to selling to people that are older than me. They were decision makers. I still see myself as 25, and now I realize the people that I'm talking to are much younger and consume data and information a lot differently than I did. The worst thing that happened to me during the pandemic is I have a daughter in Nashville at Belmont College, and she loves to cook. Sent me a video, and I'm like clicking on the link, and it says, well, you've got to download this app, and that app was TikTok. And I'm quite confident that that's the beginning of the end of civilization, getting on TikTok, because you can do that for hours. So decision makers are getting younger. Distribution is getting more prolific. People are popping up, going out on their own to have their own fabrication facilities, cutting corners. So it's a challenging market out there. What do? Well, we know that everybody thinks that they're an expert, and we know that we're not about your business. What we are is the people that show up and tell you what we think you should do, or not what you think you should do, but we try to help you find a way to do it. There's plenty of consultants, and the joke is about consultants. If you think everything's going all right, hire a consultant and they'll tell you what's wrong. What we want to do is provide solutions to those challenges, and not just challenges. It's really easy to come in and tell companies and business owners like yourself, you got to sell more, you got to have new revenue streams, you got to cut costs, you've got to do these things. But it's different when you got somebody that's willing to get in there and roll up their sleeves and help you where the rubber meets the road. So how do we do it? Well, at our core, we're a consulting company with a specialty in marketing as a service. What does that mean to you? Well, we allocate a team of professionals to help you go in and identify any kind of revenue streams that you want to increase, whether it be countertops, it could be distribution. You may have decided that you want to go after a multi-level, multi-family living market, that you want to market to that. Maybe it's commercial. Whatever it is, we come in and consult with you and provide a team of specialists, including a business consultant, a project manager, a copywriter, a graphic designer, and even in some cases, we have a social paid ads specialist that will help you maximize your dollar in that area. So when we bring them in, what do, right? Well, the first thing we do is we determine with you your objective. What is it that you want to accomplish? Do you want to sell more of A, B, or C? And in some cases, what we find is this part takes on a job of its own, in that we're helping you build a foundation of understanding what your current business is, where you're making the most money, and where maybe you don't want to have more customers. So that's part of the process, not just the marketing piece of it. We identify that target audience, we develop a strategy with you, and our full service agency team provides the creative components that you need to go out to LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, digital ads, social media, landing pages, all of the OptiChannel services that you can use to touch the people that are buying your products. Remember, Everybody buys differently. People are buying things off of TikTok and 30-second videos. People are buying things off LinkedIn. In fact, there's a statistic that professional, executive level, C-level people will buy more from people that have connected with them and 10 people on their company on LinkedIn. And it's a large number. It's 70% more. There's over $4 billion done in worth of social media marketing business every day. And we help to try to get you to maximize your presence in the social media platforms to gain that advantage as well. So we have different channels. And when I say different channels, it's all of the mediums that you can touch, whether it be a website, redirect, IP tracking, email, digital mail, postcards, QR codes, any of those solutions, we provide those only if it matters and it fits for your theme and the tone of your company. And then we execute. If you'd like to have a free evaluation of what your current marketing techniques are, and we do it for a 25-minute, it's free. You can scan this code, you can schedule 25 minutes with me and my team. We will go through the process of determining what you have, seeing if we can help you. If we can't, we'll be the first ones to tell you. You won't have to tell us. So that was relatively quick. You guys are free to go get your happy hour. Thanks for coming. Tim, thank you. Thank you.